Abby, we have been dating only for a few months, and she texts me to say I'm simply not her person. I can't understand why she would do this. I know she was as into me as I am into her. What happened? Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today on Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel created exclusively for you to help you navigate through the challenges which often accompany a breakup. I think the important thing to consider is what is the true purpose of dating? What does it actually mean to date? In a nutshell, dating is for the purpose of gathering data about the other person. It's really to determine if they are a good fit, if you share common goals, values, interests. An issue that is often disregarded is to consider if what we bring to the table is truly valued by the other. In every relationship, there are compromisables and uncompromisables. If the uncompromisables supersede the compromisables, the chances for the relationship to flourish exponentially diminishes. Most often, we choose to date someone if they are hot, or what they bring to the table, or as an opportunity, literally, to have sex. So after one or two dates, we find ourselves perhaps unwinding, intimate, maybe over drinking, not asking the important, appropriate questions, such as what are you really looking for in a relationship? When we finally find ourselves having these conversations, we may find that the person we are dating is not aligned with what we want long term. We begin to psychologically detach from the potential that the relationship may have appeared to initially have had. In the process, we prepare our exit. Unfortunately, many of my clients find that this is a pattern. Abby, I have dated 4 different guys this year, and they all disappeared one way or the other. What is happening? You are not asking the uncomfortable questions from the get go. And why is that? Because we are afraid of the answers we may get and prefer to see how the relationship naturally unfolds and deal with sensitive yet important subject matters when they surface. And surface they will. This is literally procrastinating what we could at some point initially look at and decide whether we want to continue to date or not. We can many times predict the potential of a relationship after just several dates when we date with intention. Don't date with the intention of just what's in it for you. Consider, so important, if what you bring to the table is in line to the person's wants and needs. Also, when dating someone, commonly known as a rebound, be honest. You don't have to go into full details of your previous breakup, yet it's only fair to let them know you are not ready to enter into a relationship and are simply going out to enjoy their company. Don't let them believe you are in when you are merely dipping your toes into the dating pool. When you are honest with them, they not only appreciate it, it allows both of you to continue in your search for the fit you are looking for. I invite you to book a coaching session with me. It would be my pleasure to help you gather a few questions which you can subliminally toss around. It may help break the pattern of relationships diffusing after just a couple of weeks. Please hit the subscribe button below and share your comments on this or any other videos, and I will respond in a timely fashion. I also invite you to check out my newly released seminar focusing on the law of attraction in the link below. I am so pleased by the amazing reception it has received. Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Danny, Coach Priyanka, and myself, we are available to assist you in any way we can. Let us help you focus on creating a roadmap of sorts so that you can uniquely position yourself and asking the appropriate questions and date someone with the potential of taking it to another level, not necessarily just to find yourself in a situation where a couple of months down the road, everything dissipates because you really just had that initial physical attraction and not the substance necessary to take a relationship to a different level. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.